morning students. In this session I will solve some important problems related to combinations. See the first question. Find the value of the following. There 10C4 is given. To calculate 10C4 value, see, write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Okay, that means from 10 4 numbers in the descending order. That is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 4 factorial value in the denominator. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now simplify this one. 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 get cancels, 3 ones are 3 nines are. Okay, so it's equal to, see, 10 into 3 30, 30 into 7. Okay, its value is equal to 10. Okay, see the second question, that is 10C6. Here see denominate, here see R value 6 is there, it's a big number, so you need to write 6 numbers in the numerator by 6 factorial. For that reason use the formula NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So 10C6 it's equal to 10C 10 minus 6, it's equal to 10C4 only. So 10C6 value is equal to 10C4. What is 10C4? 210, right? So 10C6 directly you can write value is equal to 210. Okay. Next see third question, 5C4. Again use the formula NCR equal to NCN minus R. 5C4 value is equal to 5C 5 minus 4. It's equal to 5C 5 minus 4 is 1. NC1 or NC0, its value is equal to, see, NC1 value is equal to N, so 5C1 value is equal to 5. Similarly, see the next question, 5C5. We know, right, NCN value is equal to 1, so 5C5 value equal to 1. Then see the next question, 8C6. Okay, 8C6, you can write it as 8C 6 minus 8 minus 6. It's equal to 8C2. Okay, which formula? NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Okay, here see 6 is there, right? It's nearer to 8. So it's quite difficult to write all the values in the numerator and denominator. That's why I use this formula. 8C6 can be written as 8C 8 minus 6. That's equal to 8C2. How to calculate 8C2 value? 8C2 is equal to 8 into 7 by 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2 4s are 7 4s are. Value is equal to 28. This is how to calculate NCR value. See the next question. Okay, important 3-mark question this one. A box contains 5 red, 4 black and 3 white balls. How many selections of 8 balls can be made? Okay, if the selection contains, first question is exactly 4 red, 2 black, 2 white balls. That means exactly 4 red, 2 black, 2 white balls, not more than or not less than the given number. Second question is at least 3 red. That means 3 are greater than 3. At least 3 black, 3 are greater than 3. And at least 1 white, that means 1 are greater than 1. Okay. See, box contains 5 red. Here I will write red is equal to 5. Black is equal to 4, white is equal to 3 white balls are there. Okay, now see how many selections of 8 balls. Okay, required number how much? Required is equal to 8 balls. Okay, you need to select 8 balls. Then go to this first question, that selection must has exactly 4 red, 2 black and 2 white. Okay, that means here given data 5 red balls, 4 black balls and white balls is equal to 3 white balls are there. Okay, you need to take exactly 4 red ball. Out of 5 you need to take only 4 red ball, and here see you need to take 2 black balls and only 2 white balls, that you need to take. Okay, selection of 4 red balls, 2 black balls and 2 white balls. Okay, now see what are the possible ways. Possible ways is equal to, from the 5 red ball you need to take 4 and means into From the 4 black ball you need to take 2 black ball, so 4c2 into white ball. How many white balls are there? 3 white balls. You need to take only 2. Okay, so total weight is 5c4 into 4c2 into 3c2. See the second condition, at least 3 red, at least 3 black, and at least 1 white. Okay, given 5 red balls, you need to take at least 3. That means minimum 3. What's the maximum value? Maximum equal to 5. Okay, then at least 3 black balls from 4 black balls, at least 1 white ball from the 3 white balls. See, write the possible values. Since at least given, I'll start with 3. 3 red balls, 3 black balls, 3 plus 3, 6. What's the total required? The question given, right? Total, you need to take 8 balls. Okay, total is equal to 8. Okay, so 3 plus 3, 6. Here you need to take 2 white ball. It's possible, right? At least 1 is given. You can take 2 also. So it's equal to 8. Next, take 3 red ball, but take 4 black balls. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Then take 1 white ball. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. Next, again see, here I will take 4 red balls. Then what you have to take? 3 black balls. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 white ball. It's equal to 8. Okay. Suppose you are taking here 5 red ball. Okay, if you take a 5 red ball, then suppose you are taking here 2 black ball and here taking your 1 white ball. 5 plus 2, 7, total is equal to 8 you will get. But what's a condition? See, at least 3 here. Okay, at least 3 means greater than 5 is there. Here see, at least 3 is given, but you are taking 2. This case is not possible. Okay, suppose here see, here you are taking 4 black ball, also you are taking 4, and what's about white ball? It's equal to 0, right? Because total 8 we required. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. But here condition is at least 1 white ball you need to take. So this condition is also not possible. So only possibility is 3 red, 3 black, 1, 2 white. There are 3 red, 4 black, 1 white, 4 red, 3 black, 1 white. Okay, then only possible, then only it's possible to get the required condition. So here I'll write total weighs is equal to, see, first case is 5c3. Okay, 5 red balls are there, you need to take 3 into 4c3. That means 4 black balls are there, you need to take 3 and 3c2. Okay, 2 white balls from the 3 white balls. So one case. Okay, plus see the second row, 5c3 into, here you take 4c4 into and 1 white ball, that is 3c1. Okay, plus take the next case. What's the next case? 4 red ball, right? That is 5c4 into 3 black ball, that is 4c3 into, why into? Because and you need to take 3 balls, right? 4 red ball and 3 black ball and 1 white ball, that is 3c1. Middle options, first case or second case or third case, that's why middle will get plus. But if you take the values, there you need to use multiplication. Okay, it's equal to 5c3. No, we know it's equal to 5c2, right? So 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 into 4c3, it's equal to 4c1, value is 4 into 3c2. 3c2 is equal to 3c1, its value equal to 3. Okay, plus here see 5c3, its value is equal to 5c2. Just use the formula NCR is equal to NC and minus R. 5c3 you can write it as 5c2, that is 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 into 4c4 value is 1 into 3c1 value is 3, plus 5c4 it's equal to 5c1, its value is 5 into 4c3 equal to 4c1, its value equal to 4 into 3c1, its value is equal to 3. Okay, now substitute. Here see 2 1s are 2 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 40 into 3, 120. Plus here 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 twos are 10 plus 3 into 3 it's equal to 30 plus 5 fours are 20, 23 it's equal to 60. So total weight is equal to 210. If you add this one, you will get 210. See the next question. From a class of 9 boys and 7 girls, 12 students are to be chosen for a competition, which includes at least 6 boys and at least 4 girls. How many ways this can be done? See, it's a very important thing. They will contain if a particular boy is always chosen. Okay, whatever group you are constructing, one particular boy is common for that group. That's the meaning of if a particular boy is always chosen. First write the given data. Given data is boys is equal to 9, girls is equal to 7. What's the required number? Required students is equal to 12. So 12 students are to be chosen for a competition. That's why you need to construct a group of 12 students. Okay. What's the condition? Boys is equal to at least 6 and girls is equal to at least, condition is at least 4 girls. Okay, we need to construct a team of 12 students which includes at least 6 boys and at least 4 girls. Now see, question is in how many ways this can be done if a particular boy is always chosen. Okay, since one particular boy is always chosen. Okay, we need to construct a team of how many members? See, 12 members are there, one boy is common. Okay, so while constructing the team, I'm keeping that boy outside. So you need to construct a team of 11 from the other students. Why? Because whatever construction you're doing, this boy is the particular boy. Okay, you need to select this boy always in the group. So one particular boy is always chosen. We need to construct a team of 11 students with at least, see, you are selecting one particular boy. Yes or no? See, one particular boy is always chosen, right? So actually you need to select at least 6. Since one particular boy is already selected, we need to select a team of 11 students with at least 5 boys. Okay, from how many boys? 9 are boys given, but already one boy is selected. So from 8 boys and how many girls? At least 4 girls from, okay, how many girls are there? 7 girls. Clear? Since one boy is already chosen, total number required is equal to 11 only, because 11 plus one particular boy, that gives 12. Okay, since one boy is selected, actually you need to select at least 6. That means start with the 6, minimum 6. But since one boy is already selected, we need to select at least 5 boys, because if you select 5 plus 1, that particular boy, that gives 6. At least 6 condition holds, right? Okay. So total weight is equal to, okay, here I'll write, see, boys is equal to 8 boys are there now. Girls is equal to 7 girls are there. But you need to remember, you need to select at least 5 boys and at least 4 girls. That means minimum 5 boys and minimum 4 girls. Okay, total how much you need to get? Total is equal to 11 students. First see, I'm taking 5 boys. And then how many girls are possible? You need to get a team of 11, right? So you need to select 6 girls. Okay, or second option, suppose I am taking 6 boys. And how many girls you need to select to get 11? You need to select 5 girls. Or, okay, then see, next I'm taking 7 boys. And how many girls you need to select to get 11? You need to select 4 girls. Okay, or is there any condition? Suppose I am taking 8 boys, then how many girls? Girls is equal to 3 girls you need to select. But what's the condition? Here condition is given, right? At least 4 girls. Okay, minimum number of girls is equal to 4. If you take 8 boys, then you need to select only 3 girls. Okay, this condition is not possible. So possibilities are 5 boys, 6 girls, or 6 boys, 5 girls, or 7 boys and 4 girls. It's equal to 5 boys. How many boys are there? 8 boys are there. You need to select 5 boys here, right? Into y into and is there. 6 girls. How many girls there? 7 girls are there. From the 7 girls, you need to select 6. Or means we know, right? It is plus. 6 boys, you need to select, that is 8C6. Selection of 6 boys from the 8 boys and is there. So into 5 girls, that means 7C5. Okay, here you can see 7 girls. Or means plus okay, 7 boys from the 8 boys, that is 8C7 into 4 girls. Okay, 7 girls are given, you need to select 4 girls, that is 7C4. Now simplify this one. Okay, here we know the formula NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Use this formula. 8C5, its value is equal to 8C3. So you can write it as 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, just applying this formula, NCR is equal to NCN minus R into 7C6, its value is equal to 7C1. So its value is 7 only. Okay, plus next value see 8C6 is equal to 8C2. So you'll get 8 into 7 by 2 into 1 into 7C5. Its value is equal to 7C2 by the formula NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So we can write it as 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. Okay, next plus 8C7. Its value is equal to 8C1. 8C1 value is 8 into 7C4. 7C4 value is equal to 7C3. You can write it as 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, use the calculator and simplify. 3 2s are 6. Then 7 7s are 49. You will get 8 into 49. Okay. Plus second value here see 2 1s are 2 3s are then 2 1s are 2 4s are, okay, 21 into 4, okay, 49 into 12, next 49 into 12, okay, plus next 3 2s are 6, 6 6 get cancels, 8 into 35. Okay, now use the calculator and add. If you simplify this one, your answer is 1260. Okay, this much possibilities are there. Remember, since one particular boy is always selected, total number reduces to 11. Total number of boys reduces to 8. Okay, then as usual you need to select the boys. Actual given condition is at least 6 boys. Since one boy is already selected, your condition is at least 5 boys. Okay, see the next question. Similar to the previous question, in a class 12 boys are there and 10 girls are there. 10 students are to be chosen for a competition including at least 4 boys and at least 4 girls. The 2 girls who won the prize last year should be included. That means 2 particular persons is always selected. That means again see 2 particular girls are already selected. It's a condition, right? The 2 girls who won the prize last year, that means a particular person, right? That the particular 2 girls are already included. See here I'll write boys is equal to 12, girls is equal to 10 girls are given. What's a required number? Required is equal to, you need to select 10 students. Okay. Next see, given condition is boys is equal to at least 4, and what about girls? Girls is equal to again at least 4. Okay. Now see, 2 girls who won the prize last year should be included. That means whatever selection you are doing, two particular girls you need to always select. Okay, since two particular girls are already included in the team, okay, we need to construct a team of how many members? 10 members are there. Two particular girls are already selected. Then you need to construct a team of 8 students. Okay, with here see there is no restriction for boys, right? So with at least 4 boys. From how many boys? From 12 boys. And see, given condition is at least 4 girls, but already 2 girls selected. So, and at least 2 girls. Okay, from how many girls? 10 girls are given, but already 2 girls are selected. So, you need to select only 8 girls. Okay, you need to select 2 girls from the remaining 8 girls. Okay, so total ways is equal to, see, we'll start with at least 4 boys. Remember, 12 boys there and 8 girls are there. We need to construct a team of 8 members. Yes or no? Since given question is construction of team of 10 members, but 2 girls are already selected. So 10 minus 2, 8. That's a team members. 8 students you need to select. Okay, how many boys are there? 12 boys are there. You need to select at least 4. Okay, here given. And see, actually 10 girls are there. From 10 girls, you need to select 4 girls. That is at least 4 girls. But since 2 particular girls are already selected, remaining girls is equal to 8. From the remaining 8 girls, you need to select at least 2. Okay, that's a given condition. Okay, possible way, see, if you are selecting 4 boys and how many girls required? Okay, girls required is equal to 4 girls. Okay, 4 plus 4 it's equal to 8. Or suppose I am selecting 5 boys and how many girls you need to select? You need to select only 3 girls because 5 plus 3 it's equal to 8. Okay, or suppose I am taking 6 boys and 2 girls. 6 plus 2 it's equal to 8 girls. Okay, suppose I am taking 7 boys, then how many girls you need to select? Only 1 girl. Okay, but see, total number is equal to 8 you are getting, but condition is at least 2 girls, right? Minimum number of girls is equal to 2, but here only 1 girl is there. Okay, so this condition is not possible. Possibilities are 4 boys and 4 girls, or 5 boys and 3 girls, or 6 boys and 2 girls. Okay, now it's equal to, write it in the combination notation, 4 boys. Okay, from the 12 boys, you can write it as 12C4 into, because and is there, right? 4 girls. 4 girls from the 8 girls, right? That is 8C4. It's a one condition. Or that means plus 5 boys. Okay, 5 boys means from the 12 boys you need to select 5 boys into 3 girls. From the 8 girls you need to select 3 girls. Or is there? So plus now see, next condition, 6 boys. 12C6 into, from the 8 girls you need to select 2 girls. So it's equal to 8C2. Okay, now simplify this one. Okay, it's equal to 12C4. We can write it as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 8C4. That is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It's a one value plus 12C5. Okay, 12C5 we can write it as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. From the descending order, 5 numbers, right? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 divided by 5 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into second sum 8C3. It is 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, plus last one is 12C6, that is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 1 2 3 4 5 7. Okay, divided by 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 8C2, that is 8 into 7 divided by 2 into 1. Now simplify this one. It's equal to see 4 3s are 12. This 12 12 get cancels. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 9 5s are 45 into 11. Okay, into here simplify 4 2s are 8. 2 2 get cancels. 3 2s are 6. 14 into 5. Okay, 14 into 5 plus next see here you can 4 3s are 12. 12 get cancels. Then 5 2s are 10. Here also 2 2 get cancels. Okay, remaining number is 99. 11 9s are 99 into 8. Okay, into here see second sum 3 2s are 6. 6 8 into 7 it's equal to into 56 plus next see 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 2 get cancels. Then 4 1s are 4 2s are, then 5 1s are 5 2s are 10 any number, yeah, 3 1s are 3 3s are, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, 11 7s are 77. So you will get 77 into 12 into here middle into is there, right? Okay, 2 1s are 2 4s are 7 4s are, it's equal to 28. Once again check the calculation. Okay, it's equal to, if you multiply this one, multiply the sum inside the bracket and add the numbers, you will get 104874. Okay, 1 lakh 4874. This is the answer for the given question. See the next question. A man has 10 relatives. Okay, out of 10 relatives, 4 of them are ladies, 3 are gentlemen, and 3 are children. In how many ways can he invite 7 relatives to a party? So that, okay, that means you need to invite only 7 relatives, such that first condition exactly 2 ladies, 3 gentlemen, and 2 children. Okay, that means only 2 ladies, only 3 gentlemen, and only 2 children. Second condition is there are exactly 2 gentlemen and at least 3 ladies. At least 3 ladies means 3 and 4 are possible. Remaining number you need to select children. Here they are not mentioned as children, but remember question given as 7 relatives. So 2 gentlemen, at least 3 ladies, remaining number you need to select children. Okay. So first write the given data. Number of relatives is equal to 10 relatives are there. Out of 10 relatives, ladies is equal to 4, gentlemen is equal to how many gentlemen? 3, and children is equal to 3 children are there. Okay, what's the required number? Required number is equal to, see, only 7 required number. Okay, you need to he need to invite only 7 relatives. See the first case, that is exactly 2 ladies, 3 gentlemen, and 2 children. Okay, now see what are the possibilities for ladies? Selection of ladies. 4 ladies are there. You need to select only 2 ladies. What's the selection of gentlemen? Equal to, see, 3 gentlemen are there. you need to select 3 gentlemen. Okay, and what's a children? Selection of children is equal to how many children are there? 3 children are there. But how many children you need to invite? Only 2 children. Okay, so total ways is equal to, okay, 2 ladies, that is in 4C2 ways, and so into 3 gentlemen, that is in 3C3 ways, and 2 children, that is in 3C2 ways. It's equal to 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 into 3C3, its value is equal to 1 into 3C2 equal to 3C1, its value equal to 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 twos are 6 into 3, it's equal to 18 ways are there. Okay, so this is the solution for the first case. See the second sub question, that is exactly 2 gentlemen and at least 3 ladies. Okay, here I'll write possible ways is equal to, see first exactly 2 gentlemen, at least 3 ladies. What are the possible for ladies? You can take 3 ladies or you can take 4 ladies. Only 2 possibility because total number of ladies equal to 4 only. Okay, and at least 3 also given. So you need to start from 3. Okay, here I'll take 3 ladies. Okay, then what's a possibility? 3 plus 2 equal to 5, but required number equal to 7, right? So you need to select 2 children. So one possibility, or 2 gentlemen only, because exactly 2 gentlemen. Gentleman number remains same. And I'm taking 4 ladies. 4 plus 2, it's equal to 6. Okay, but we want number 7, right? Total relatives we need to invite is 7. So you need to select one child. Clear? 2 plus 3 5 plus 2 it's equal to 7, and here see 2 plus 4 8, 6 plus 1 it's equal to 7. Okay, so total ways is equal to 2 gentlemen from how many gentlemen? 3 gentlemen, right? So 3C2 into 3 ladies from how many ladies are given? 4 ladies given for C3 into 2 children from 3 children, it's equal to 3C2. Or is there, so plus 2 gentlemen. Okay, here see 3 gentlemen are there, you need to select only 2. 3C2 into 4 ladies from the 4 ladies, that is 4C4 into 1 child from how many children? 3 children are given, you need to select 1 child, so 3C1. Now simplify this one. Here see 3C2 value is equal to 3C1, so 3 into 4C3 value equal to 4C1. Why? Because NCR is equal to NC n minus r. So 4C3 you can write it as 4C1, it's 4. 3C2 its value is equal to 3C1, it is 3, plus 3C2 value is equal to 3. 4C4 value is equal to 1. 3C1 value is equal to 3. It's equal to, see, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, plus 3 3s are 9. 36 plus 9 it's equal to 45. So total ways is equal to 45. There are 45 ways are there to invite 7 relatives out of 10 relatives. Okay. See the next question. An examination paper consists of 12 questions divided into part A and part B. Part A contains 7 questions and 5 questions are in part B. That means part B has 5 questions. A candidate is required to answer 8 questions. Okay, 7 plus 5, 12 questions are there, but candidate need to answer only 8 questions, selecting at least 3 from each part. Okay, that means from part A he need to select at least 3, and from the part B also he need to select at least 3. In how many ways can the candidate select the question? You need to find the number of possibilities. Okay, that is number of possible ways. Okay, see, total is equal to 12 questions are there. In that, part A has how many questions? 7 questions. Part B has how many questions? 5 questions. Okay, candidate required to answer, that means required number is equal to 8 questions, selecting at least from part, at least 3 from each part. Okay, from part A at least 3, from part B again it's equal to at least 3 you need to select. Okay, here I will draw the column. See, part A that has how many questions? 7 questions. Part B that has 5 questions, and required it's equal to how many? 8 questions he need to answer. Part A he need to attend at least 3. Part B also he need to attend at least 3. Okay, so that time you will get required number question is equal to 8. Okay, combine that you need to get 8 questions. Okay, write the possibilities. Here see, first time at least 3 questions, here 3 questions he is taking. Then see, you need to get 8 questions. That means from the part B you need to select 5 question. 3 question plus 5 question it's equal to 8. Okay, suppose here he is taking 4 questions. Okay, then see, in the part B he need to attend 4 questions. 4 plus 4 it's equal to 8. Or see here, that candidate taking 5 questions from the part A, 5 questions, then part B you need to select only 3 questions, right? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Is there any other possibilities? Suppose here he is taking 6 questions, then part B you need to attend to only 2 questions. 6 plus 2 it's equal to 8. But what's the condition? At least 3 from each part, right? So here 2 is not possible. So only 3 possibilities are there: 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3. Okay, that time only you will get the total 8 with the required condition at least 3 from each part. So here I will write total ways is equal to, see, it's the first option, this is the second option, this is the third option. Okay, take that case separately. Take the first case, that is, see, part A 7C3 into 5C5 into, okay, then second case, that is the OR case, right? So plus second case 7C4 into part BC it's equal to 5C4 in, okay, this is the possibility for the second case. Or third case, what's the third case? Plus write the third case. Okay, part A 7C5. Okay, out of 7 he can take 5 questions, and so into, from the part B he need to select 3 questions, 5C3. Okay, clear? See, part A 3 questions, part B 5 questions, total equal to 8. Why here multiplication? Because 3 questions from part A and 5 questions from part B. Then only you'll get 8 question, right? In the middle and is there. So plus. Here why plus? It's a OR condition. While moving to the second option, or while moving to third option, or you will get OR condition, right? So you need to put plus. Okay. Now calculate this value. It's equal to 7C3 means 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, plus then see 7C4 equal to 7C3, right? It's equal to 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and here 5C4 it's equal to 5C1, its value equal to 5. Here 5C5 is there, that value is equal to 1. Okay, and plus 7C5 is equal to 7C2, right? Which formula? NCR is equal to NC n minus R. So 7C5 is equal to 7C2, that is 7 into 6 by 2 into 1 into 5C3 equal to 5C2. 5C2 value is 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. Okay, it's equal to, see, 3 2s are 6, 6 get cancels, 7 5s are 35, plus here 3 2s are 6, 6 get cancels, 5 5s are 25 into 7. Okay, plus here 2 2s are 4 get cancels, 7 5s are 35 into 6. Okay, now add the possible values. Here we will get answer 420. So 420 possibilities are there. See the next question. A team of 11 is to be chosen from 18 cricketers, from whom 6 are bowlers and 3 are wicket keepers. In how many ways can a team chosen so that? Okay, first question is there are exactly 4 bowlers and 1 wicket keeper. Exactly 4 bowler and exactly 1 wicket keeper. That is the first condition. Second condition, see, there are at least 4 bowlers and at least 2 wicket keepers. Okay, now see, required number, see, total is equal to 18 members are given, out of which bowlers is equal to 6, wicket keepers is equal to 3. 6 plus 3, 9. Total 18 is given, right? So I will take others. It's equal to 9 are they. Okay. Required number. What's the required number? Required number, it's equal to 11. Team of 11 is to be chosen. Okay. This is a given data. Now see the question. First question is exactly 4 bowlers and 1 wicket keeper. Okay. That you need to select. See here, bowlers, 6 bowlers are there, and wicket keepers, given data how many wicket keepers are there? 3 wicket keepers are there. Others equal to how many others are there? 9 others are there. What's the required number? Required number is equal to 11. Okay, that you need to select. Okay, now see exactly 4 bowlers. Out of 6 bowlers, you need to select only 4 bowlers and 1 wicket keeper. From 3 wicket keepers, you need to select 1 wicket keeper, and 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, others 9s are there, but total number required equal to 11. So you need to select others 6. Okay, so you need to select 6 others. So 6 plus 1, 5. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. This is a possibility. Exactly 4 number means only 4 bowlers, only 1 wicket keeper. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, now 9 other players are there. Since 11 is required, you need to select 6 other players. So total ways is equal to see 6C4. Okay, selection of 4 bowlers from the 6 bowlers into because and is there, right? 3C1, 1 wicket keeper from 3 wicket keepers into others 9C6, 9 6 6 others from the 9 other players. Okay, it's equal to 6C4 is equal to 6C2. So you'll get 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1 into 3C1 value is 3. 9C6 is equal to 9C3 because NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So 9C3 value is 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, simplify this one. 2 ones are 2 threes are, then here 3 threes are 9, 2 fours are 8. Okay, again simplify this one. You will get 6 fives are 30, 33s are 90, 90 into 3, 270 into here see 4 threes are 12 into 7. Okay, now multiply this one, 3780 ways. These are the possible ways. See the second case, that is at least 4 bowlers and at least 2 wicket keepers. Okay, total 18 is given. Out of 18, 6 are bowlers and 6 are and 3 are wicket keepers. Then clearly it is others equal to 9. Okay, given conditions at least 4 bowlers given. So I will start with 4. If you select 4 bowlers and at least 2 wicket keepers, so minimum number is 2. Then what are the possibility for other? 4 plus 2, 6. You need to select 5 others. So you will get 11. Second case, see, suppose I am taking 4 bowlers and 3 wicket keepers. It's possible, right? At least 2. Maximum 3 is possible, right? 4 plus 3, it's equal to 7. Then you have to take other 4 players. It's equal to 11. Then see, I'll move to 5 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. 5 plus 2 7. So you need to select 4 others, so you'll get 11. Then see 5 bowlers and 3 wicket keepers. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then 10 9 11. Then 3, that gives 11. Okay, see for wicket keepers two possibilities, right? One option is 2, another option is 3. Okay, but for bowlers 4 is there, 5 is there, and 6 is possible. Okay, next see, I will take 6 bowlers. Okay, then you need to select 2 wicket keepers. The first option 6 plus 2 8, so you need to select 3 others, that gives 11. Then again see 6 bowlers, but I am taking 3 wicket keepers. 6 plus 3 equal to 9, so you need to select other 2 players, that gives 11. So write the total possibilities. Total ways is equal to, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 options are there, right? So first option see 6C4 into 3, out of 3 you need to select 2, right? 3C2 into, out of 9 you need to select 5, so 9C5, it's a first option. Okay, plus what's the second option? Second option see 6C4 into 3C3 into, here see 9C4. Write the third option. Third row, see 6C5 into, here see 2 is there, right? That is 3C2 into, third column see 9C4. Okay, plus move to the fourth column, that is see 6C5 into, here see 3 is there, right? 3C3 into, next see 3 is there, right? 9C3. Okay, next fifth row, that is here I'll write plus, here see 6C6 into, then see 3C2 into, next value see here 9C3, plus last row, here see 6C6 into, this one out of 3 you need to select 3, right? So 3C3 into, out of 9 you need to select 2, right? So 9C2. 6 ways are there. Okay, in the next step simplify this one. It's equal to, first one you will get 15 into 3 into 126. Okay, plus second one, if you simplify this one you will get 15 into 1 into 126, plus third one 6 into 3 into 126, plus fourth one 6 into 1 into 84, plus fifth one 1 into 3 into 84, plus last one is 1 into 1 into 36. Okay, this is equal to, first value 5670 plus second value 1890 plus third value 2268 plus 504 plus 252 plus 36. Add using calculator, you will get 1620 ways. Okay, total possible is equal to 1620.